Well, guys, here's it's raining, right, Ray?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're driving home, right?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. I think I got time to record me picking up crabs, but we'll do it next time, right, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just came from Des Moines Beach Park, guys, again.
Yeah, buddy.
But earlier, it was like sunny, and now it's raining all of a sudden.
Yep.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
Your favorite, bro? Second time.
Yeah.
I never went to the second time in my life. Oh, it's 7-Eleven though. Ooh.
Woohoo.
Got Slurpee?
Oh, isn't it almost 7-Eleven? Yeah.
Oh, that's still far away. Like July 11th.
Oh, yeah.
That's like 3 months from now. Because April, and then. But yeah, we're just driving, guys. Well, it's raining, right?
Yep.
And I think we're gonna see a thunderstorm later on.
Oh gosh.
Ain't that scary, or?
Yeah, if it's out of nowhere.
Oh yeah. Sometimes I look at it in my window.
Really?
I don't know, just to see like, but it's like a really like bluish, bluish color. Sometimes it could be purple. Oh, you're right. But yeah, we're going home, guys. So, peace.
Peace.
Yeah.